We in the warehouse carry everything from the nuts and bolts and washers to the poles, transformers, the big stuff. While they're trying to put the puzzle together to get the power back on, there's pieces they need for it, and that comes from us here in Wahpeton. Well, here in the supply chain area, we deliver material throughout our service territory. We have 26 different locations that we go to every other week to help them restock so they can all keep a local supply. If the guys need to, they'll grab a cart and pull those things. We would provide material that's not readily available in those field locations. So whether it be a bigger transformer, whether it be something like a substation transformer, or even if there's a part they need that they ran out of and the supply truck hasn't been there, they call us to get that material so they can get the customers back on. Today we put 8 transformers in stock and 7 of them printed out on back orders to go out into the field already. So we can't get them in fast enough. Yeah. If we're getting people called in and getting the material sent out, we want to make sure it's exactly what they need. So we don't drive 5 hours away and find out, well, that's not the right part. The biggest thing would be to make sure that we get that proper material out there on time. Last year, at the end of November, Harvey, North Dakota, we lost a substation transformer out there. And the unit we had to pick was 68,000 pounds, so it was a very large unit to get picked. It's almost 81,000 pounds, this big one right here. So that's a pretty good sized crane that needs to lift that. To get a crane big enough so they could drop everything they were doing on site, get down here and load it. We had to have drivers available to haul that material and anything else out. In the meantime, there's a town without power, so it felt overwhelming at the time. At the end of the day, when the service was energized, it was a great feeling. The customers that we speak with, they're our own employees that are calling in, but from being on customer service, I also know the panic of the customer when they're calling in when there's an outage, so it's affecting someone's life. Just being able to help the field guys out, help the staff out here, just being able to help people when they're in need, to be able to get them what they need when they need it so they can be productive in their jobs and efficient.